See these numbers? Now watch what happens as they scroll into view. They count up from 0, all of them. No JavaScript, no intersection observer, no requestAnimationFrame. Pure CSS. This is CSS scroll-driven animation combined with CSS counters. One of the most impressive effects you can ship today. First, the HTML. A stat section. 3 divs with a class of stat. Each one holds a label. That's all we need. The data suffix holds the symbol after the number, plus, %, k+. Now, the CSS. First, we register a custom property called num as an animatable integer using @property. This is the trick that makes the whole thing work. CSS normally can't animate custom properties, but @property tells the browser exactly what type it is. Now the keyframe animation. It simply moves num from 0 to 100. Here's the clever part. We use counter to display num as readable text. Counter reset feeds the animated value into the counter. The number appears. But it's not animated yet. That's where the scroll trigger comes in. Instead of animation duration, we use animation timeline. We set it to view. This ties the animation to scroll position, not time. Then, animation range controls exactly when it plays. Entry 0%. Start the moment the element enters the viewport. Cover 40%. Finish when it's 40% through the screen. Scroll up, it counts back down. Scroll down, it counts back up. ZERO JavaScript. The old way? Intersection observer, requestAnimationFrame, a counter interval function, a cleanup step 30+ lines minimum, just to count a number on scroll. CSS now does this in 5 lines. Want different numbers per stat? Use a CSS variable and pass it inline via style attribute. Then scale num in the keyframe using calc. That's a whole bonus tutorial. Drop a comment if you want it. Pair this with the scroll fade-in animation from my earlier video, and your stat section will look like it costs $1 million. Like and subscribe for more CSS power moves. Drop a comment. See you next one.